So we add this string which is going to be published, with this every time new value of the list item here in our array list. Asynchronous process progress value was our array list that we defined above. Dot add, and then add the string value to it. Simply remember these progress values here are actually an array. This is an array, so we need to this argument is an array, so we need to really select the first argument of this array, which first string, and then pass it to our asynchronous progress value arrays. And then next we should use the set notify change on our array adapter async dot set notify data set change. So this whenever this function will be called, it will notify our array adapter about the change in the data set. Because this adapter async, this our data adapter is connected to our list view here, like set adapter is connected to our list view here, so this notify dataset change is going to inform our list view that a new data has arrived, because this is also connected to our array. And this, when we will call this notify dataset change on our adapter, it will tell our list view that a new data has arrived, and this needs to be redrawn on the UI screen, so it will be updated. Now I think everything is done now. Yes, but one thing is missing. Our asynchronous list update class or task needs to be called. We can call it simply with new, because there is no return value. New async list update dot ex, and there are also no parameters for this class. There are no parameters as you see for this class, so simply call execute, and that's it. And if we run after every 1 minute, because we have a thread sleep of 1 second here, we will publish this progress. Elapsed time is, first of all, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, like this, and we should run it to see how our output looks like. The Android emulator is loading, it's compiling, installing the APK, and launching the UI. So it is installing the APK. We have to wait a bit more. Can drag it on this side. So you see, elapsed time is 0. After 1 second it is 1. After 2 it is 2, because of this thread sleep. And it is printing here on the screen, this in our UI. And see, it is scrollable, because as soon as the values are increasing, new values are added, 13, 14, 15. So that's a very good example for our asynchronous task test. And I hope you understood it very well. So I mean, we can also use, for example, here some kind of, say, for example, when we want to do auto update or something, we want to, for example, update our own app, then we can, for example, also do it in a background task, and it will not disturb the main task UI. For example, the auto update can download the new APK file and install it for you in the background task, and then also restart your app. So this is a very, very useful class, that is asynchronous class, that is provided by Android to do the task. You see, this is still going. 31, 36, 37, 41, 43. So it will print up to 100 seconds, and